Wow, that was a process. Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. I appreciate you hanging in there through the install. This is an amazing Slickwraps skin. Now, I'm the one that obviously picked what I was going to customize through the Slickwraps customizer, an option that they have on their website. And I'll show you what that looks like here in just a moment. I went through many different choices. I really wanted to pay tribute to Blade Runner. Asked my kids, asked my wife. I narrowed it down to 3, and this is the one that was the favorite for everyone, including myself. The only thing is, I wish the character that Edward almost plays, Gaff, I wish I would have had a better picture of him in this selection here that I chose as far as the skin for the Razer phone. He's in here, in the spinner there. The vehicle that, if you've seen this movie, you know what vehicle I'm talking about. It's this one right here. Okay. But you got the rest of the characters visually there for you to see on this skin that just looks so beautiful on the Razer phone. Just looks great. And I will be sporting a clear case, so I don't know if I'm going to use the Tudia. It's not completely clear, but I may put this one back on. I have another clear one too as well. But as long as you can see this part of it, that's really what I want to show off. And it'll protect the body of the Razer phone as well. But you got Rick Deckard right here. You have Roy Batty. You got Rachel. And you got Eldon Tyrell. And you got Pris. And again, Gaff is in there somewhere. And you got the spinners. You got the city of Los Angeles there. The Tyrell Corporation in the background. Again, if you haven't seen the first one, do not watch the second one without seeing the first Blade Runner 1982. Okay, if you're going to respect the second movie that we've waited so many years for, you got to see the first to understand everything that's going to go on in the second one. So anyway, that is just an amazing skin. Again, my tribute to Blade Runner. Outside of Alien, I should say, with Sigourney Weaver, that movie and this movie right here, Blade Runner, 2 of my all-time favorite flicks, and they're a tie for #1 all-time sci-fi flick for me. Down below, let me know what you think of the install. Let me know what you think of this video if you like this style of video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But leave some feedback on what you think of this skin. Let me know if you have a skin on your device, what device it is. Let me know where you got it from. Slickwraps is one of my favorite. Yeah, totally digging. Have had no complaints as far as the first Slickwrap skin that I bought for my Note 8. It's actually over here on my desk. You really can't see it there. But because I don't have the Note 8 anymore. My son has that, so I took it off. But when it went on, it stayed on, and then I was able to peel it off when I gave that Note 8 to my son. So yeah, no issues. There was no peeling whatsoever with any of the cases that I had on my Note 8, and I don't expect that I'm going to have any cases. But disclaimer, you could have some issues with the skin lifting with a case. You know, I mean, the compatibility may or may not be there. I have had no issues, but I want to throw that in there just in case anything happens. Once you come back going, hey, you said. So anyway, with that being said, just leave some feedback on what you think about this skin and what you think about skins overall. And is it something you like, you don't like? Yeah, if you have one on your device, let me know what it is and what device it is and who you got it from. So let me show you where to go as far as Slickwraps. www.slickwraps.com. You're going to hit your options there, their menu. And when you get into their menu, if I can get in there. Okay, you got devices, cases. So in devices, you can pick for phones, tablets, computers, gaming, wearables, cool stuff, limited series, and so forth. Anyway, you can go into phones, and it's going to give you Apple, Android, Windows. And you got Apple there. And hit phones again. And let's hit Android, and you got a lot of different devices there. I'll leave a link down below. And then you got Customizer at the bottom there. And it's in here that you can choose your device. And of course you're going to hit Android. And then you're going to hit select, and it's going to give you all the devices. And there's my Razer phone down there. And if I hit Razer phone, it's going to give me the shape of my device and what the back looks like. And as you can see, I uploaded a picture here. That was the other one that I had, so I'm going to get rid of that. I can just tap on that. There we go. Okay, and then it has an upload. See that little arrow there? We're going to hit upload, and you want to go to your files. And it is here that you can pick a picture that you've taken of anything, or you can go and check out a bunch of different wallpapers on the web, download one, and go with that. So let me just randomly pick this wallpaper here that I downloaded through Google Plus. And then what you do is press and drag, and it takes it right into the back of the Razer phone there. And it gives you a preview of what it's going to look like. And you can do a background, you can put some text in there, you can stamp it. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that you can do to customize this skin to your liking. And then you just order it. You put it in your shopping cart up there. And what I like about Slickwraps is they're always offering. Put your email in there, but you know, get logged in, start an account, and they're going to send you a percentage, whether it's 10 or 20% off your order. They're going to, and they're always doing specials, whether it's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 45, 50. They're always doing something to satisfy their customers, and then I'll be leaving the link in the description. Check it out and let me know overall what you think about my tribute to Blade Runner. Thanks everybody for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do like, share, donate if you can. God bless, and remember, you are my Project 13. Peace.